You're walking around with trillions of tiny organisms inside you right now. We're talking about your microbiome, and it's more important than you think. These little guys play a huge role in your health, from digestion to immunity and even mental health. So buckle up, because we're diving deep into the fascinating world of your microbiome. Let's go. Before we get to the mind-blowing stuff, let's clear up some common misconceptions about the microbiome. Not all bacteria are bad. Many are beneficial and essential for your system. Think of it like a delicate ecosystem inside you. Your microbiome changes with diet, lifestyle, environment, and stress. It's crucial to nurture your microbiome and keep good bacteria thriving. First up, a real shocker. You are actually more microbe than human. The bacterial cells in your body outnumber your human cells 10 to 1. These microbes play a vital role in your health, influencing your digestion, metabolism, immune system, and even your mood. Just like your fingerprints, your microbiome is completely unique to you. No two people share the exact same microbial makeup, not even identical twins. This is why some can eat certain foods without problems, while others have digestive issues. Your microbiome plays a huge role in all of this. Ever wonder why some people effortlessly maintain a healthy weight while others struggle? Your gut microbiome might hold answers. Studies show obese people have different gut bacteria compared to lean individuals. So, managing your weight means focusing on gut health. You might think you're born with a clean slate, but your microbiome starts developing the moment you enter the world. Babies born via C-section have a different initial microbiome, which can affect their health later in life. But don't worry, the microbiome is dynamic and can be influenced by breastfeeding, diet, and environmental exposures. Ever heard of the gut-brain connection? It's real thanks to your microbiome. Gut bacteria communicate with your brain, influencing mood, emotions, and behavior. A healthy gut microbiome positively impacts mood and cognitive function. Antibiotics are lifesavers when battling bacterial infections, but they can also harm your microbiome. Antibiotics don't discriminate between good and bad bacteria, wiping out beneficial bacteria along with harmful ones. Use antibiotics only when necessary and focus on restoring gut health afterward. You are what you eat, right? The same goes for your microbiome. A diet high in processed foods and sugar helps harmful bacteria thrive. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fermented foods help good bacteria flourish. We all know exercise is good for our physical and mental health, but did you know it also benefits your microbiome? Regular physical activity increases the diversity of your gut bacteria, which is associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases. This might sound like science fiction, but it's real. Fecal microbiota transplants, or FMTs, are becoming common to treat certain gut conditions. It involves transplanting fecal matter from a healthy donor into the recipient's gut. FMTs have shown success in treating recurrent Clostridium difficile infection, a serious bacterial infection that can be life-threatening. So there you have it, 10 shocking facts about your microbiome that might just blow your mind. From influencing your weight and mood to boosting your immunity, the microbiome is a fascinating and rapidly evolving field of study. By understanding how to nurture and support your microbiome, you can unlock a new level of health and vitality. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Stay healthy, everyone.